Hello and welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota. Today we are going to be taking a look at the 2026 Corolla Cross Hybrid XSE all-wheel drive, finished in windshill pearl white. Starting off at the front here, we've got our updated grille for 2026, our LED headlights and fog lights, as well as our block heater down there. We've also got parking sensors across the front bumper. On the side here, we've got our 18-inch black alloy wheels. Got heated side view mirrors as well as blind spot detection in both sides. Nice overshot of that windshield pearl. Got a chrome Corolla Cross accenting up there above the windows. Corolla Cross badging on this side. XSE Hybrid EV all-wheel drive badging on that side, and a Corolla Cross embossment on the lower valence there of the back bumper. Under the hood of the Corolla Cross, we get a 2-liter 4-cylinder 16-valve hybrid engine producing 196 horsepower, delivered by an electronic continuously variable transmission and all-wheel drive. On the interior of the Corolla Cross, we get the whole thing finished in SofTex black leather-like seating. We've got our auto beam headlights and traction control here. Got our all-weather mats for those pesky Albertan winters. And here is that supple SofTex leather-like upholstery with the cloth accents there. We've got power adjustable seating for our drivers and manual for the passengers. Got our push button start there. All of our audio controls on this side and driving assists on this side. We also get this 10.5-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a backup camera, of course. Got all of our cabin air controls here, as well as our heated mirrors. We also get a 9-speaker JBL audio system in this car. Wireless phone charging pad there. Heated seats for both of the front occupants, as well as a heated steering wheel and EV selection mode. USB-C charging port there, electronic e-brake. And inside of the center console, you get another USB-C charging port and a 12-volt outlet. Got all of our cabin lighting there, as well as our sunroof controls. And here we have our sunroof. Coming along to the back of the car, more of that supple SofTex with the cloth accenting. Fold down cup holders between the rear seats. We also get heated seats for the rear occupants as well, and 2 more USB-C charging ports there. Got our cup holders on the doors. And get this easy open trunk with the button to close it right back up. Got our JBL subwoofer there in the back, as well as our cargo shade. And these people did opt in for the rear seat protection and cargo mat, which come at an additional charge. But we've got our summer mats there located in the trunk. And that is the 2026 Corolla Cross Hybrid XSE all-wheel drive. And as always, life is full of choices. Let us be yours.